Hello beautiful bag lovers, welcome to the Bag Hag Digest. This is Trina. Today we're not talking about bags, but we're talking outside of the bag and into the box. Stuff that you can chuck into your bag. This is my subscription service. First time I'm doing one of these things. This is the second box in my subscription, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So first we have a little sample-sized, fairly big sample-sized bottle of Kerastase shampoo. I think it is shampoo. Yes, excellent. Multi-protector, really good for treated or highlighted hair, which is what I have. So we'll be chucking this not into my day-to-day bag, but certainly in my travel bag, in my toiletry case. Excellent, love this stuff. Glad to have it in the sample box. Next we have this little soap flea-free cleanser by SVR. Never heard of them, nice to try them. Always like having cleansers. Generally I just use olive oil on my face to cleanse, so it's nice to see some brands that might be useful to me. And also I got a second one here too. I don't know why they put two cleansers in the same box. It's kind of strange, I think. But before we get to that, I have this UV Bronze Après Soleil. After tanning, I don't tan, so that probably won't apply to me, but it's another cream. Might not be using this, probably will be giving it away, to be honest. I don't tend to use a lot of creams, and I got some in my last box that I've barely dabbed into, so may keep, may not keep. We're gonna keep this one closed for now. Next we have this highlighter palette by a company called Doce or Doce, I don't know, Free Matic highlighter. So let's I tried to swatch this a little bit. Let's swatch it again here. Yeah, it gives a nice little gloss to the skin. I think this might be really nice in summer on your shoulders if you're burying your skin that way. Just a little bit on the cheek or in the Cupid's bow might be good. Actually this is my first highlighter and I've wanted one for some time, so this is gonna be great. I think I will be using this. And what's great about this is it has these magnets on the back. So I'm gonna take this out here and put it in my palette here. This is where I have this uni palette, which is all these magnetized strips of makeup that can fit in there. They don't sell these anymore, but they're really great. A little bit heavy, but very sturdy container, and the palette fits in there just nicely. Yay, new addition. Excellent. And finally, apparently this is what's making the box worth the money, is this tiny little sample size of face oil, which apparently costs a fortune. I think this is only 15 milliliters, but I do use this kind of stuff, oils and whatnot, for hydrating. This has got, what is this? Omega Hydrating Oil with Ferment Complex. Lancer Skincare, Beverly Hills, California. Never heard of it? Great, this is why I got the box, to try out new brands, new products. The only thing that was not so satisfying was the fact that there were two cleansers in here. It would be nice to get a different type of product to mix things up a bit. And I guess the fact that I probably won't be using this, but everything else I will definitely use. So thanks for listening to me open my box and delve into my goodies. See you in the next video. Bag Hag signing out.